Sometimes the simplest layouts leave the strongest impression on your audience. Open Canva and create a new poster with your preferred dimensions. Select a plain background that allows the product to stand out naturally. Go to Elements, search for circles, and use different sizes to build a soft, minimal composition around the main subject. Avoid adding too many shapes, keeping the design clean and uncluttered. Upload your product image and position it where the circular elements naturally guide the viewer's attention. Add a bold headline with a modern font, followed by a brief product description and pricing information. Choose only 2 or 3 colors to maintain a